Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your device records HDR10 or Dolby Vision, because Instagram preserves those signals when uploaded correctly. Set exposure and white balance manually so highlights and shadows remain stable. Lock focus. Once done, choose the best frame size, 16, 9 for Reels repurpose or 4, 5 for feed, and shoot at the highest bitrate you can. If your camera offers a LOG or flat profile, use it. This gives you more dynamic range to grade later. You now move into grading with HDR-aware software, because SDR tricks will crush your highlights. Import the full resolution file and avoid any re-encoding before grading. Work in HDR10PQ or Dolby workflows so metadata stays intact. Adjust lift, gamma, and gain to balance shadows and peaks. Use waveform and histogram to keep highlights below clipping. Make modest saturation and contrast moves. Too aggressive changes break HDR viewing. Once the grade looks nice, you finish by exporting H.265 HEVC with HDR10 metadata, because Instagram reads that on compatible devices. Choose MP4 or MOV, match the source frame rate and resolution, and use the highest bitrate Instagram accepts to reduce recompression. Transfer the file to your phone without altering metadata and upload from the Instagram app. If viewers see washed out or too dark results, convert a copy to SDR with professional tone mapping and upload that as a fallback. This troubleshooting tip saves playback issues on incompatible devices.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.